Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Notion to plan your children's activities. This is your ultimate guide for 2025. First off, let's create a new page in Notion. This is where we'll keep all the activities and schedules in one place. The reason we do this is to have a centralized hub for everything, making it easier to monitor and update. Now that we've done that, let's add a table. This is a great feature in Notion that allows us to organize activities. You can name the columns as activity name, date, time, and status. You can also add more columns depending on your needs. This helps us because it gives a clear and concise overview of what's happening and when. Next up, we're adding some content to our table. Write down the activities and their respective times and dates. Let me explain why this matters. This is where you get to see the specifics of each activity. It's important to fill this out accurately as it's your child's schedule. Now, let's add some color and icons to make it more visually appealing. Notion allows you to customize the look of your table. You can use different colors for different activities or status. This is not just for aesthetics. When you're juggling multiple activities, color coding helps you quickly identify what's happening and prioritize. The next step is to add reminders. On the right side of each row, you'll see a bell icon. Click on it and set a reminder. This is an excellent tool to make sure you don't forget any of the activities. We're almost done, but there's one more thing to add, a calendar view. This gives you a visual representation of the activities throughout the month. The reason we do this is to easily see the distribution of activities and avoid overbooking. And voila, you now have a comprehensive, organized, and visually pleasing activity planner for your children. Remember, the more you use it, the more you'll get the hang of Notion's powerful features. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this guide helps you effectively use Notion for planning your children's activities. Until next time, happy planning.